31, 131?
31. It says it's in the stairwell.
Okay.
31 down we go.
Where's this building?
Where's this
We got fired up close. Up one.
Oh, the man right there, coming out a window.
Yeah.
Holy
That's rapid fire.
right outside, 490.
3213 flash, right above us. Right above us.
Medical tent.
Hang on. Stop. Just
Multiple GSWs.
And there is unit down
14.
Stay in your room. Stay in your room. I'm inside the Mandalay Bay on the 31st floor. I can hear the automatic fire coming from one floor on that. One floor above us. We can hear it above us.
Copy. Is there a unit down?
Just be advised, it is automatic fire, fully automatic fire from an elevated position. Take cover.
Multiple GSWs to the leg, femoral artery, at the medical tent. At the medical tent, 4A. Off of Guile, south of Rio. 751, I see there's a flashing coming up from about a third of the way up. Center, tower, over there. Control, we need all units now coming northbound on Las Vegas Boulevard because he's shooting this way. It's a horrible cover spot.
Okay, all units
10 break, 10 break. No unnecessary
We need to
contact on the radio, please. We know where it's at. The 32nd floor, room 135. Everyone else off the radio. I'm with Metro right now.
We're just
Copy.
north of
We hear more
Mandalay.
shots being fired.
East of the boulevard. Control 166. Victim.
Oh my God.